First, we look at the two connected servos. Connect one to the fourth row from the top. Be sure to check the wire colors. The orange is towards the Arduino and the brown one to the outer end. Then connect the other one to the second row of pins. The third servo will be connected to the top row, just as shown. Now connect the Arduino to the computer through the cable provided.
Now to calibrate the bit block. First go to the Rugpod tab and drag down the initial setup for Rugpod block. Now scroll down and grab the calibration block. Join them together and hit upload.
Now that we have uploaded the code, it's time to connect the battery to bit block. Connect the battery just as shown. Now when we hit the power button, we will see that the servos calibrate themselves. Now to connect the batteries. Notice that the end with the groove is the positive side and the flat side is the negative side. The negative side will be attached to the springs. Now that we are done with the assembly, it's time to make the connections. Put the bit block on top of the Rugpod and make the servo connections just like before. Now to make the connections of the eyes to the bit block. Connect the eyes to the bit block as shown. Now connect the battery to the bit block and we are ready to go.
Now it's time to look at the real code of the Rugpod. First of all, we will look at the action blocks. These are the different actions the Rugpod can perform. Move forward will make the Rugpod go forward, move left will make it go left, and so on. These blue blocks are the condition blocks. In the Rugpod's app, we have these buttons. When we press these buttons, the Rugpod will receive a condition. So these will tell the Rugpod what button has been pressed. This is the custom movements block. We can make the Rugpod do various movements with our own will. We can make it do different stuff using custom movement blocks. Let's just start with some basic code. First of all, we always have to drag down the setup block. After that, we need to establish Bluetooth connectivity with the mobile app, so we have to use the Bluetooth block. Select receive and select string. Now it's just simple coding. As you can see, we have connected all the blocks. Now the up condition will make it go forward, the right condition will make it go right, the left condition will make it go left, and the down condition will perform the fall down function. Now let's use the distance sensor. We have the distance sensor over here in the sensors tab. Just drag it out. Select a variable. Rename the variable to anything you like. I will rename it to Rugpod distance. Now select the pins 4 and 10. Now the variable Rugpod distance will have the value of the object in front of the Rugpod in centimeters. How far is an object? Now we need to add a condition at the end. Now, according to this code, whenever there is any object within 10 centimeters of the Rugpod, it will move towards the right. Now we can use the different techniques of programming like the for loop to increase the number of times it moves right. It's up to your own creativity how you want to code it. Now let's upload the code and test it.